Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Wholesale2B inventory feeds into WooCommerce, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Wholesale2B account. Navigate to the Inventory tab on the dashboard. Select the Feeds option from the drop-down menu. Identify the type of feed you want to update. Click on the Download button next to the desired feed. Save the feed file to your computer. Open your WooCommerce admin panel in a new tab. Go to the Products section from the left-hand menu. Click on Import to start the import process. On the import page, click the Choose File button. Locate and select the downloaded feed file from your computer. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Map your feed columns to the WooCommerce product fields as needed. Make sure all necessary fields are properly matched. After reviewing the mappings, click the Run the Importer button. Wait for the import process to complete. Once the import is finished, check for any errors in the results. Navigate to your product list to verify the updates. Check that all products from the feed appear correctly. Adjust any discrepancies in product details directly within WooCommerce. Repeat this process for other feeds if necessary. Lastly, regularly monitor and update your inventory to keep your store current. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.